Hello, today our lecture number 4. In this lecture, we will discuss how to calculate the profit and how can we finalize the product and how much quantity we should order and all these things in very details. So before going to this video, if you are new here, there are three lectures previously uploaded in which I have thoroughly explained the FB wholesale model and what kind of tools required for it and how to select a product and product hunting in very details. So if you are new here, just go through that lectures and watch this video also. So in this lecture, we will be exploring the key terms for calculating the profit, and I will be doing live product calculation, profit calculation in front of you, and we will be having at the end of the lecture that how much quantity or how much equity you should be considering before ordering something to the supplier. So before starting the profit calculation, we have some terms to understand the calculations. So the first of them is buying cost. This is the cost which we will be paying to the supplier for purchasing the products. And the second one is FBA fee. FBA fee means this is the price that we will be paying to the Amazon for pick, pack, ship, and customer service. Then came referral fee, which is also known as Amazon fee. This is the again fee that we will be paying to the Amazon for selling on Amazon platform. And then there is a storage cost that we may have to pay to the Amazon for storing the products in their warehouse. Then comes shipping cost. This is the cost we which we will have to pay for sending our inventory to the Amazon FBA warehouse. And then there is a labeling fee that we may have to pay to the Amazon or our brand or our supplier for pasting the FNSKU if in just case Amazon is not accepting the product with the manufacturer barcode, then it is compulsory to bear this cost. So we have to consider all these factors before coming up with the final product calculation, profit calculation. Then another one is prep fee. Then sometimes we have to do the prep for the product before sending the inventory to the Amazon FBA. So this is known as prep fee. And then the final one, the last one is selling price. This is the price on which we will be selling the merchandise on Amazon. Then next, these are the three key parameters from which we will be evaluating or we will be observing that whether this product is profitable or no. The first one is net profit, which we will be calculating by subtracting all the cost and associated with the product from the net revenue. Then the net margin, which we will be having by dividing the net profit with the total revenue, and it will be in percentage. And the next one is return on investment, ROI, that we will be calculating by dividing the net profit with the total cost, and it is also it will be in the percentage. So I will be now showing you everything which I explained here live. So let me share my screen with you. Yes. So this is the product already open in front of me. So let's take an example of this product and do all the calculation which we just discussed in PPT slides. So this was the product. So what I will do, I have just made this spreadsheet in order to explain you this everything. So I can see here that my selling price of this product is 24.99. So I just put here 24.99, and I have assumed that I will be able to get this product from supplier that for the $10 per piece. So I just put here $10. Then these two, one is labeling fee, one is prep fee. So I am just considering that I don't have to pay labeling fee and I don't have to pay prep fee. So then after that, the brand will be directly shipping the product to the Amazon FBA warehouse. So I don't need any prep services. So I will mention it zero. So for the shipping from brand warehouse to the Amazon warehouse, I will consider this product. Maybe I will be able to ship this product for per piece for 50 cents. And then I need to see the referral fee, fulfillment fee, and storage fee, which I will get from Amazon Revenue Calculator. What I will do, I will copy this ACN, come here, paste this, and search this product. So let me, okay, it's working. Okay, let me do this. I will click on search. So you can see I will just enter here its buying cost, which is I consider $10, and it will give me the referral fee, the fulfillment fee, and storage cost. And I just entered all these costs here. Okay, so I just copy paste all these Amazon fee, which is referral fee 3.99, and then there is fulfillment fee which is 4.03, and storage cost is 0.01, just one. uh, okay, then I have to calculate net profit and profit margin and ROI. I before just I explained you here the its formulas, and I have insert these formulas here, and you can see that its net profit is 6.46. How it is coming? I have to subtract all the cost. These are all the costs involved for this product from this selling price. So I will be getting 6.46 net profit. So the same net profit you can see in Amazon revenue calculator as well. It is here 6.96, and miscellaneous I will put here just 50 cents because I taken shipping charges here. We don't have a shipping charges separately, so I will just enter here. So you can see it is the same results. These are the same results as of Amazon revenue calculator. But in order to save the time, you should maintain such sheet before, because if we are getting some, we can test the product that by entering the source price and all these prices we can vary, and we can immediately get the ROI, profit margin, and net profit. So you should maintain this kind of pricing sheet with you. Then next, we will now see that how to get the total monthly revenue, and how we will be able to calculate that how many units we should order. So I have seen that this product is listed in automotive category, and its 90 days BSR is 28,864. I will just go to the FBA toolkit, and I will enter here 90 days BSN, and I got 4 average daily sale. So for its monthly sale, it will be 120 units per month. Then I will go to the FBA competitor sellers. I will go to the listing and I will see that how many FBA sellers are there. So I can see there are 7 FBA sellers. So I just enter here 7. So now I will calculate total monthly revenue by this ACN. So how I will calculate this? I will multiply its selling price with the total number of units sold each month. So I will get the this much revenue this ACN is generating. Then after that, how much equity or how much units I will be able to sell of this ACN. So there are 7 sellers. They are already selling 120 units accumulatively. So when I will enter in this listing, I will be the 8th one. So what I will do, I have to divide this total monthly sale with 8. This already competitive sellers plus 1 myself. So I will be getting around 18 units. So in order to buy these 18 units, I have to pay 181 and 43 cents. How it is coming? I am multiplying this 18 with the source price. 18 multiplied by 10. So it is around 181 units. 181, sorry, dollars. So this is how you will be able to determine the total ROI, profit margin, that you can see that in this product it is good ROI and profit margin also good. Okay, if you are successfully able to source this product in $10, and here you can see that how much you should order for 1 month. So if you want to order 2 or 3 months inventory, then you can multiply with the 2 or 3 in this way. So in this session we have seen that how to calculate the profit, how to calculate ROI, and how to calculate the estimated quantity which we should be sending to the Amazon FBA. I hope this video is helpful for you, but if you have still any question, you can post below this video in comment section. I will answer to your queries. Thank you.